In this video, we will learn how to manage extension in Microsoft Edge browser. So let's start. Open your Microsoft Edge browser and go to the right hand side. Then click on this three dot, then click on the extension and click on the manage extension here. Now you can see your extension those you install in your Microsoft Edge browser. So you can check here the one by one. If you want to remove the any extension, just click on the remove option and click on the remove here. So extension will remove. Okay, if you want to check the details of extension, just click on the details and you can check the description, permission, sites allow in a private, allowed access to file URL. So these are the some details available of extension. So if you want to add the get extension for Microsoft Edge, just click on the get extension for Microsoft Edge and you can search here your extension, or you can just scroll and select your extension and click on the get to add extension in your Microsoft Edge and click on the add extension. Okay, so this is a way you can add extension here also. And same as if you want to disable this extension, just click on this option off. Okay, this will not showing the extension in your Microsoft Edge browser. So this is a way you can manage your extension in Microsoft Edge browser. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe for more video. Thank you so much.